Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your avatar over on Instagram. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the Instagram app. Then we're going to go right here to our profile picture, edit profile, and then we can see our avatar right there and we can see it's flipping. And you can add it to your profile picture. I will just click on not now. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on edit avatar. And simply now what you're going to do is you're going to go to appearance and you can have here, you have this bin icon. If you click on it, just like this, you can see delete avatar. The avatar will be permanently deleted from all synced accounts. Simply click on delete. And now it's deleting your avatar, and that's how you can delete your avatar over on Instagram. Simply click on exit editor and now we can see the avatar is gone and I can make a new avatar if I want again. So that's how you can delete your avatar over on Instagram. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.